Oh, that's the Woody Woodpecker song. Yeah, he's a pecking it all day long. He pecks a few holes in a tree to see if a redwood's really red. And it's nothing to him on the tiniest whim to peck a few holes in your head. Oh, that's the Woody Woodpecker's tune. Makes the other woodpeckers swoon. Though it doesn't make sense to the dull and the dense, all the lady woodpeckers long for. That's the Woody Woodpecker song.
The Whistler. One never knows when a little accident might prove fatal, does one? What you need is insurance. Now, here's one of our blanket policies. It covers you completely. But maybe you would prefer this arsenic and old lace policy. It pays double in case of, shall we say, accidental death? Sign here.
If you think you're going to bump me off and collect $10,000, you're crazy. Anytime you get $10,000 from me, it'll be over my dead body. You dirty crook. Guess who? Hello? It's for you.
Hello? Now you're gonna get what's coming to you, and I get what's coming to me.